Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best throwing axe you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best throwing axe in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is BANORES Hawkeye throwing axes. The axes come in a pack of 3, completely sharpened and ready to throw. You can easily set up a target in your backyard and start throwing right out of the box. This throwing axe set is equipped with 3 medium hard shell black throwing axes, 2.7 inches full handle tactical axe. Tomahawk bag. Flimsy 10.6 inch full tang construction axes and hatchets are dangerous. This BANORES Tomahawk outdoor set is built to last. With 7.5 inches long, black nylon belt sheath can be easily held. For those who throw often and strenuously, this is the perfect practice. Carry your throwing hatchet set in one convenient 3-pocket throwing hatchet sheath. Secure each tomahawk throwing axe in the camping axe sheath with Velcro straps. The forged carbon steel heat-treated blade, which improves its density and makes the throwing tomahawks more durable, produces smooth, sharp, and quick splits and stays sharp longer than traditional axes. You can count on this throwing hatchet to deliver superior, long-lasting performance. Ergonomically designed handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing you to practice for extended periods without hand fatigue. Suitable for both beginners and experienced users, our throwing set offers an excellent way to hone your throwing skills. Our second best throwing axe is Smith & Wesson Bullseye throwing axe. This tools feature a balanced design and the axes have 3 sharpened edges for level throwing and maximum surface area, making this the perfect combo kit for beginners and experts alike. These axes feature a bottle opener for use during big events or while with smaller groups. Both sets come with a black nylon sheath that holds all 3 axes and knives together for added security and organization. Features a bottle opener for use during big events or while with smaller groups. Smith & Wesson offers knives that are top of the line and durable. These knives were designed with everyday tasks in mind and are the perfect EDC. Designed to function when needed most, Smith & Wesson offers tools that are ready to perform when needed most. Sleek and compact, these flashlights are constructed for long-term use without sacrificing the comfortable and elegant look and feel. This throwing axe set is equipped with 3 medium hard shell black throwing axes, 3.1 inch blade and 10 inch full handle tactical axe. Tomahawk bag. Carry your throwing hatchet set in one convenient 3-pocket throwing hatchet sheath. Secure each tomahawk throwing axe in the camping axe sheath with Velcro straps. Third pick in our list is JXO Woopecker Professional Throwing Hatchet for Axe. This is designed for axe throwing. Professional grade hatchet is expertly crafted and specifically made for axe throwing. It strikes the perfect balance between stability and maneuverability, giving you the competitive edge to excel in any throwing event or competition. It is 4-inch flat blade for increased target coverage, engineered with intermediate to advanced throwers in mind. Our hatchet features an ultra-thin 4-inch flat blade design. This design maximizes the surface coverage on the target, increasing your scoring potential and precision. The 16.1-inch straight handle is meticulously angled forward, providing exceptional weight balance. This optimizes your throwing performance by ensuring more weight balance towards the back of the axe head. Additionally, the handle's smooth grip allows for effortless release during throws. This hatchet measures 16.1 inch in full length. It weighs a total of 2.1 pounds, with the head weighing 1.58 pounds. These dimensions are carefully designed to offer a comfortable and effective throwing experience. The throwing axe's size and weight are perfectly balanced, providing higher accuracy when throwing. At the same time, its balance and sharp blade combine to make quick work of some small tasks. Number 4 in our side is Antarctica Throwing Axe Knife. The Antarctica throwing axe was designed based on the Vietnam tomahawk. Multiple sharpened edges allow for axes to stick to target on contact. 3-pack of 1-piece steel axe with a 5-inch handle and 3-pack knives, especially suitable for throwing beginners. 1-piece design helps the tactical axe blade create a special balance when throwing. Challenge your friends on the backyard competitions or wild. Comfortable and durable handle grip prevents the axe from slipping during use, and the tail is designed for easy gripping and exerting force, protecting your hands excellently. Weighing only 3.62-inch perfect blade edge. Great balance, aerodynamics, and proportions makes these axes and knives have a best throwing experience. High-quality nylon sheath, easy to storage and carry out. The unique packaging makes it to be the most suitable gift for family and friends. Package included 3 packs throwing axe, 3 packs throwing knife and 1 dedicated polyester storage bag. Perfectly balanced and built specifically as a throwing axe. Great balance, aerodynamics, and proportions make these axes and knives have the best throwing experience. 3-pack steel axes and knives set, especially suitable for throwing beginners. 1-piece design helps the tactical axe blade create a special balance when throwing. Challenge your friends in backyard competitions or wild. A durable and comfortable handle grip prevents the axe from slipping during use, and the tail is designed for easy gripping and exerting force. You can throw more accurately and focus less on throwing hard. The package included 3 throwing axes, 3 throwing knives, and a storage case. Idea gift for those who love the throwing axes game. Boasting a thin and sharp blade that allows you to effortlessly stick your axe in the target every time. A well-balanced design ensures precise throws, enabling you to hit the bullseye with pinpoint accuracy. Last in our best throwing axe list is WICING throwing axes. The throwing axe's size and weight are perfectly balanced, providing higher accuracy when throwing. At the same time, its balance and sharp blade combine to make quick work of some small tasks. The Hatchet is 11.2 inch in overall length, blade length of 3.74 inch, and individual weight of 1.62 pounds. The Hatchet is forged from high carbon steel, which is strong and durable and not easy to rust. It is very easy to sharpen and keeps the edges sharp. Ergonomic fiberglass handle with anti-skid handle and shock absorption function, providing a comfortable grip and reducing hand strain. The Hatchet with rubber sheath impeccably balanced and compact enough is perfect for camping, hiking, axe throwing, etc. A great gift for the outdoor enthusiasts in your life. The Hatchet is forged from high carbon steel, which is strong and durable and not easy to rust. It is very easy to sharpen and keeps the edges sharp. Ergonomic fiberglass handle with anti-skid handle and shock absorption function, providing a comfortable grip and reducing hand strain. The Hatchet with rubber sheath impeccably balanced and compact enough is perfect for camping, hiking, axe throwing, etc. A great gift for the outdoor enthusiasts in your life. For details, let's watch more.